I had a little side project. I didn't have a stand. I have a tripod in my shop. I didn't have a place to put my phone. By the way, this works perfectly. Phone slides right in here. I actually like this better than my other one. It's even flexible. I 3D printed it on my 3D printer. Took about an hour and 5 minutes. I'm going to show you the file. I'll put the file below. Look, this is just a real quick short. It actually goes into the tripod. So if you look, it sets in the tripod and just goes down and you flip this little piece back and it fits in there perfectly. Here it is mounted. Mounted in that way, clicks that way. Turn it, like I said, your phone just slides right in there. Perfect. I used the Bamboo Carbon X1 to do it with a smooth PLA plate. It's an engineer plate. And I'll show you the file. The Bamboo software. This is the piece that goes in the bottom. That's how it fits around the camera. It works on my iPhone 16 Pro. It works on others, I'm sure. It's downloaded right into Bamboo and hit the button. Let it print as it was. Great, great little tool. Again, I'll send the link for you.